Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable automatic app updates on iOS device. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Want the apps on your iPhone to update automatically when new versions become available? Watch this full video to learn how to enable auto updates for apps on iOS. To begin, open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and select App Store. Under Automatic Downloads, tap the switch labeled App Updates. When the switch is green, automatic app updates are enabled. If you want to only have updates automatically download on Wi-Fi, ensure that the automatic download switch under mobile data is turned off. If you are okay with using your mobile data to download apps, you can turn this switch on. To control how much data you want to allow app downloads to use, select App Downloads. Then you can select Always Allow, or Always Ask, or Ask if over 200 megabytes. This way you can allow smaller sized update downloads and not larger ones, or have complete control over which automatic downloads are allowed, and which ones aren't. That's all the things you need to know about setting up automatic app updates on iOS device. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.